Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a new Stampin' Up haul. It's not very big, but I wanted to show you because I do have a few things here. I'll get the first things out of the way. Are the new catalogs. I had to get some new ones for those of you who were interested. So if you need one, let me know. I know there's a couple of you, Paula and Jane. Those will be going out in the mail. Actually tomorrow, so Tuesday. And then let's see what I got. I purchased the Easter Bunny stamp set. That is going to be one of my classes, my online classes. So I grabbed that. It is these cute bunnies, and then it comes with the Easter Bunny punch, which is super adorable. You can use it on your own, or you can use it to punch out this little bunny here. So I had to get that. I also saw the hand-drawn dots. It is a cling set stamp, so you can just use it like without a block or with a block. And I just thought that was going to be a lot of fun for my mixed media and for stamping backgrounds. So I got that. And then, let's see, because I spent over $50 and it is celebration, I got to get one free item, and this was the item that I chose. It is the designer series paper called Dainty Flowers, and it's a 12 by 12. So grab those, you'll be seeing that, and won't those look just adorable with the little Easter bunnies? So that is one that I'm excited for. And then the last thing I got are my favorites. I always get them, and these are the Loveliest Layer decorative masks. If you saw my catalog review, you'll know that they work so many different ways. You can use them with your paste, right? You can use them with the paste to get some great texture. You can also use this with your blending brushes to get some fun color and move them around. And then these, same thing, you can use them with your blending brushes. But look at the different, if you can't see that, there you go. So you would put that down on your paper, you'd use some blending brushes. Then you would do the same with the leaves. And then within that, you add parts of the flower. And then you also add parts of the leaf. So I will definitely be doing a video on this very soon, so make sure you are subscribed. If you do, again, need a catalog, all that I ask is that you are going to be spending at least $25 so that it'll cover the cost of my shipping. And then the if you purchase 50, you get the celebration items as well. I will send you both of these. Just let me know. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.